just add. What's up, guys? I know you hear the sizzle. Can you see it? Oh, snap. I'm just making some bakers, some baked potato bakers. Got out the shower not too long ago. And I put some coconut oil in my hair. And I usually don't do it that often because then it leaves it looking greasy. But it's good for your hair. So I hear. I actually got dressed today. Somewhat. I mean, I'm not in leggings or sweatpants. So that's always a plus. Yes, my love. Hace para allá because this is hot.
Mom! Mom!
Yeah. Just push next. There you go. But yeah, Isaac wanted some baked potatoes, so that's why I'm making this. And, I'm just cooking the bacon right now. So we can have some bacon bits, and we got the baked potatoes. Well, just the potatoes because they're not baked yet, but we got some potatoes in the oven. Baking those. There's our bacon. But yeah, Narzea's back there. They're having some crackers and some baked chips while this is done. Because as you guys saw in my mukbang, they were sleeping, and I was trying to take advantage of the time that they were sleeping, but as soon as I started my mukbang, they woke up, of course, both at the same time. So, let's lower this heat. But yeah, let me fix this real quick. I made the potatoes, well, I put them together, and then after I put them in the oven, I was like, why not, just walk you guys through it. So, like I said, I'm just putting the bacon to cook as the potatoes are cooking. That way the bacon can have time to cool down and I can drain it and whatnot. I went ahead and I'm using just russet potatoes. Now, usually for the bakers, you want to use like the big potatoes, but I wasn't going to go out and buy more potatoes when I have a sack here. And just turns out that the sack of potatoes I had here is all kind of like just smaller potatoes. So it's just going to be smaller potatoes, but that's okay because, like I said, Isaac wanted it. But let me tell you guys, I just wanted to show you guys like how I prepared the potatoes to bake them, to make baked potatoes. So you can use Yukon potatoes, you can use russet potatoes, pretty much any potatoes that you want. But what you want to do is you get the potatoes and you rinse them. You want to make sure you clean them, get all the dirt off, and then you cut them in half, but from the top. And I'll show you guys once the potatoes are done how I cut them. But you just want to cut it from the top. So this is your potato. You want it like this, and then you just cut a line. But you don't want to cut all the way through. You just want to cut enough to be able to get a butter knife in there. And once you have that slit, you get some butter. You just, slather it inside of the potato. Pretty much just as preference as how much or how little butter you want. And then in that same cut, I just sprinkle some garlic salt all in there. Once again, as much or as little as you'd like. And that's pretty much it. Then usually what I do is bacon's done. I cover it, I roll it and cover it in foil. But we ran out of foil here at the house, so I just used parchment paper. This is the first time I'm using parchment paper, so we'll see how good it works. And you want to make sure that the slit is facing the top and it's not facing down on the pan. Because if it's facing down, all your butter is going to get out and it's not going to be, as good. Well, it's still good, but you lose all your butter. But yeah, then you just put it in the oven, and I'm timing it right now. I've never actually timed how much. I just check it to see if it's done, and by how you check it is you just kind of like put a fork in the potato and check the softness. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll walk you guys through when I'm preparing it and how it looks. Okay, so this is Isaac's potato, and this is, see, it's nice and cooked. So now he wants some cheese on his. Baby, do you want bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mom.
Yeah?
What's Mom?
I'm gonna put some in your potato.
Kyle.
Yeah. So put in some bacon. Okay. And now he wants cheese. You want cheese, right?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna sprinkle some cheese in here.
Mama, you want be the potato.
Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna close it back up and put it back in the oven for about 2-3 minutes just to melt the cheese. And here's our baker with cheese, bacon, onion, some sour cream. Right there. And there we go. And I like to add, usually after I taste it, I see if it needs salt, but where's the pepper? But I like to add salt and pepper to it, if I can find the pepper. Hello, pepper. Oh, pepper, where are you? Where's the pepper? I know we have pepper. There's some black pepper, and oh, we don't have a spoon. Just gonna sprinkle some black pepper over that, and bam! Like, there's your baker. Yeah, here's our baker, guys. Let me show you. Nice and cheesy and yummy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me take a bite, because I know when I watch these sorts of vids, I like to see them take a bite. So just gonna get a scoop here. Yeah, baby love? Isaac's done?
Yeah.
Okay, baby, go eat your potato. Wow. Mm. That's good and cheesy. Look at that. Look at that pole, you guys. So good. Mm-mm-mm.